Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku of today, a heavy Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here a 6 in this column, a 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so in the column between, the only two places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then we have a 2 in the last column, a 2 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for a 2 should be there. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, we have a 2 over there. So in this column, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then in this second column, one of the missing numbers, we have 3 missing numbers, is a 6. I see here a 6, so no 6 in this box. Here 6, so no 6 in that box. The only place for the 6 should be here. Then 7 and 8. Yes. I see here the 7 and the 8. That cannot be in one of those 3 boxes. So the 7 and the 8 should be here or there. Here and there. 7 and the 8. Because we have a 7 and 8 here. That means these 3 boxes are the numbers 1, 9 and 6. 1, 9 and 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 1 and 9 are left. 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for 6 is here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 here. Here also 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. what I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright, so we have used all the 2s, the 4s, and the 6s. Alright. Then 7 and 3. Then 7 and 8. I need the 9. 1, 2. Yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in this box. Here also a 3, so no 3 in that box. Only place for the 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing in this column. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. That means those 2 boxes, the 7 and the 8, we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 3 are missing here. 7 and the 3, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then the 1, 3, 5. The 8, yes. These 1 and the 9, I cannot know. 1 and the 9 and the 5. Okay. Then 8. This should be an 8. 1 is missing in this big square. The 9 is missing in this big square. Oh, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here or 9 should be there. The 1 is missing and the 3 is missing. The 3, we have the 3 here, so the 3 could be here or could be there. The 3, the 1, the 5. 5 should be here. The 3, 5, and the 1. And 3 should be one of these 2. Can I do something with the 7? No. And 9 should be here. The 5, the 2, the 1. Alright. Can I do something with the 9? No. The 9 could be here and it could be there. 9. The 9 should be here. These 3 numbers are the 1, the 9, and the 5. 1, 9, and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 in this row. 7 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Then we have a pair here for the 1 and the 9. Because we have a 9 and a 1 here, so no 9 and a 1 there. 9 and a 1 here in those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes are the 5 and the 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One missing number in this row for the number 3. The 5 and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. The 3, 8, 8, the 5, and the and the 9. The 9 should be here. The 3, 3. The 3 should be here. The 3 should be there. The 3 and the 7. 3 and a 7, in this middle row we have a 7 here, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7, so no 7 in this box, so the 7 could be here or there. I see here 7, so no 7 here. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 3. 2 boxes left for the 3, because we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. Now we have a 3 there, no 3 here. 3 should be here. 1, 5, and 7 are missing. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 here. 7 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Here also 5 and 1. 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 Yes. 8. 8 should be here. The 1. The 9, no 9 here, no 9 here, here 9, there 9, here 9. The 1, the 5, and the 1, 5, and the 9, 1, 5, and the 9. 8 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there. 1 box is missing for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 1 and 5 are missing, 1 and 5 are missing, 1 and 5 is missing, 1 and 5 is missing. Here also 1 and 5 is missing. 1 and 5, so the 3 could be in one of those boxes. The 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1, 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 9, 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 1 and 5, 9, 9, 9. These 3 boxes, the 1, the 5, and the 3. 1, 5, and the 3. 5. These 3 boxes, the 1, 5, and the 9. 1, 5, and the 9, 5. Yes, the 5 are missing in these 3 boxes in the middle row. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. Here 5, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 1 box is left for this big square for the number 1. The 3 is missing in this middle row column. The 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 1 box missing in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes are missing in this big square. 2 missing numbers for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and 1 goes here. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes are missing in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 9. Here also 1 and 9 in the second column. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 9 goes here. 1 missing number in this big square for the numbers 9. 2 boxes are missing in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. And the final number in this big square for the number 1. Finished in 16 minutes. Alright, for this Sudoku Heavy. Thumbs up if you like. Thumbs down if you dislike. Download the PDF file so you can solve or make it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Rest me to say thank you for watching this episode and keep on puzzling. Thank you and bye-bye.